Here's some interesting news. A new Trump administration proposal looks to be getting under the skin of U.S. drug companies. Why? Well, it's because of something called the American Patients First Blueprint that would make it mandatory for all U.S. drug companies to give list prices for their products in television ads. Yes, those ads that we see on TV for pills and drugs that you need a prescription for, the ones with all the side effect warnings spoken really fast, they may soon need to also add the product price as well. Now, Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar announced the new proposal just hours after the lobby group that represents big drug companies said its members would start indirectly mentioning prices in their television ads. That group, the Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America, also known as PhRMA, said its 33 member companies would not directly state the prices on television ads, but it will point viewers to websites that mention the list prices of the drugs they advertise. Now, in response, Azar said it was no coincidence that PhRMA announced the initiative, but it's still not enough. In a speech at the National Academy of Medicine, Azar went on to say, "We appreciate their effort, but placing information on a website is not the same as putting it right in on the ad. We will not wait for an industry with so many conflicting and perverse incentives to reform itself." Now, under the proposed rule, a company would have to put in writing the price for a typical course of treatment for drugs, such as antibiotics, or the 30-day cost of drugs taken for chronic conditions, such as high blood pressure or diabetes. And what does PhRMA say? Well, PhRMA has said any attempt to force companies to publish prices would violate First Amendment rights of free speech. And that brings up an entirely different debate. Is PhRMA correct in believing this proposal is a violation of free speech? Or is PhRMA trying its very hardest to not give us the consumer sticker price shock? This will be an interesting ruling to say the least, and I guess we'll know when we turn on the TV and see a new commercial, for erectile dysfunction ED. It'll make you happy, the bros will be cheering, your libido will make you libigo, and all the women wink and smile at you while you type away on your laptop in the office cafeteria. The same pills where side effects include hair loss, nausea, loose stools? And stop using the product and consult a physician immediately if you cough with blood deposits. All of this for just a monthly price of roughly $1,500 before insurance policies take effect. Something along that line, right? Interesting indeed. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.